Wawasee High School's welding instructor, Mr. Long, teaches different styles of welding and fabrication to students.
My kids will learn to arc weld, MIG weld, and TIG weld. They learn fabrication skills, they learn cutting skills. I try to give them basic entry-level skills that they'll be able to go and get a welding or fabricating job out of high school. My students learn responsibility, work ethic, along with a wonderful skill that will take them through life and get them a job if they want one.
The welding class has had different influences on students that have taken the class.
Welding has changed me as a person, partly because I get to make things that some people can't. So that's definitely something I get to say. I would definitely recommend it to several different kinds of students. It's not only doing stuff with your hands, but it's mental challenging. It's fun. You get to see that, and it's enjoyable to be in.
The skills, you can go get a job right out of high school for any company that needs a welder. Fun ones are the ones I'm making right now, which is building stuff, doing projects, and everything else.
Every day is a good memory here. I've only been at it 2 years, and every day is a good day. Even the bad days are good.
The Pathways CTE Welding class at Wawasee High School offers skills and creations that help students gain the knowledge to go out and get entry-level jobs right out of high school.